Hello and welcome to the very first Beehiiv Partner Program video. In this introduction, I'm going to cover how you can create a Beehiiv Partner Program account, obtain your unique partner link, access the partner dashboard, access the partner resource center, understand the commission structure plus the payout process, and at the end of this, you'll be able to be well equipped to start earning money by sharing Beehiiv with your audience. Now, we're very excited to share this initiative. This has been a long time coming, and we've been working very hard on getting this right. And so we're extremely happy and proud and humbled to have you interested in our program. So who is this program for? I want to start before we jump into the details. We really made this program to be very flexible across a large scope of potential users or partners. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a writer, a blogger, media, anything that has an audience, regardless of your audience size. So, who is the Beehiiv Partner Program for? Well, the short answer is you. We've worked really hard to make sure that this program is flexible to provide the greatest amount of value to whoever you may be, whether you're a blogger, press, a course instructor, an entrepreneur, a combination of those, all of those. You could even be a YouTuber. Anybody with an audience can start earning by sharing Beehiiv with that audience. We have a whole lot of features that can help a wide variety of users. And given our growth so far and kind of how much this has caught on fire, we're very excited to be able to share this opportunity to allow you to grow your revenue while working with us. Let's just jump into things. The first step is going to be creating your partner program account. So there's two ways to access the sign up. The first would be going to beehiiv.com/partners and clicking this Join Today button. This page provides a little bit of detail about the program in terms of how it works, some predictions in terms of revenue you could earn, who it's for, and some FAQs. So just off the bat, our partner program is set up to provide 50% commissions for the first 12 months of any customer you refer. So if you refer 100 users and some of them will be subscribing perhaps to the $49 plan, some of them will be subscribing to the $100, the $99 plan. So we took an average, but if you were to refer 100 people over the course of that year, you would get 12 months of commissions, which would total $52,200. So this is a very, very powerful program. We looked at other programs across the industry, and we really wanted to create something that was going to be very compelling to our creators and fit within that, our constant quest to be the most creator-friendly, creator-first platform, across the internet. So there is a huge amount of potential for you as a creator to supplement income, to really grow your passive revenue streams. To join, you're either going to click the Join Today button, or you're going to go to partners.beehiiv.com directly. That's partners.beehiiv.com. Gives a quick breakdown of the commission structure. You're just going to put in some very simple information. And once you sign up, you're going to arrive on this screen that's going to give you a link to our Partner Resource Center, as well as provide you with your link. You can copy this link and share it across social media, share it in a blog post, in your Beehiiv publication if you're sending out newsletters, whatever. This is going to show you the number of people who have visited your site using your link, the number of people who have signed up for a free plan on Beehiiv, and then the number of people who have actually converted and purchased a plan. So from here, this is how you're going to track the performance of the program. If you click on this button to go to our resource center, we have a Notion database that's going to have a whole lot of content around different things that you may want to learn about. So we have resources around our plans, so you can see the different features that are on each plan. You can filter by feature category, so you could see our growth tools, you could see general tools, you could see a combination of those. So you can really break down, if you're writing a blog post about analytics capabilities or the technology that goes into the platform or the customization capabilities, you can see which features are on each each plan, and we're updating this all the time. And of course, these are additive. So anything that's on the launch plan is on the grow plan. Anything that's on the grow plan is on the scale plan, and so forth. So going back here, we also put together a great deal of comparisons. So you can look at feature comparisons, which is going to show you across either all all of our competitors that we have benchmarked. There's I think 7 of them. You can see kind of this whole list of features where we have gaps where we're adding features. So the ones down here, we are adding these as we speak, as this is being filmed on June 28th. But across here, you can also see which plans these are on. So you can see, comparisons across both different products and then where we put them on our plans. So if you want a more granular breakdown, say you're writing an article about Beehiiv versus Substack, you can come into here and look at how we stack up against them. Same thing with across, the whole gamut of all of these different competitors. So hopefully this is really useful. If we go back to our comparisons page, we can also look at pricing comparisons. So we have, comparisons across the dimensions of free. So these would be the free plans of ourselves and those competitors we benchmark against. You'll only see Review and Substack on this free options because they don't actually have paid plans. So they actually allow unlimited subscribers, but we just capped it at 100,000 because that's where kind of the max end of our analysis went. But this represents for these 2 platforms a unlimited number of subscribers, just as a heads up. So from here, you could compare introductory plans. So if there is a free plan, it's listed here, but for Ghost, for example, they don't offer a free plan, so it's the introductory kind of lowest tier. So the middle plan is our middle plan compared to comparable next steps up across the ecosystem. So we benchmark to 10,000 subscribers because that's where we cap the Grow plan, and you can see how other platforms compare their mid-tier options with 10,000 subscribers against Beehiiv. And so you can see we're quite competitive on the dimension of price, and then you could cross-tab this level with the features that we just went over in the features comparison. Lastly, our top level plan, we have the scale plan. We benchmarked to 10,000 subscribers here. These other platforms, their next level up was 105,000. So rather than overshooting the predictions and saying, okay, you're getting more, so the price is higher, we opted to be a little bit lower, but obviously 5,000 subscribers is marginal. And so you can really see where people compare. And this is where we added Substack and Review back because they offer an unlimited number of subscribers. So, provides you a great deal of information kind of at a glance. And then you can also view, if you wanted to do a head-to-head thing, we offer this all comparisons view. So in the future, we're going to be adding specific case studies of users who have joined Beehiiv from another platform. We also will be adding templates that you can use in terms of language and messaging that you could swipe from us and customize for your particular publication, making that process really easy. We'll also be adding those FAQs from the website to make that section super accessible. We also currently have this media kit where if you do want to use Beehiiv in your publication, we have a bunch of logos and variations, as well as this gradient that we use in different places. We also have a official partner badge. So if you want to add this to your website to display that you're an official Beehiiv partner, that's totally cool as well. And then we'll be adding a style guide, which will kind of more codify the way that we prefer to have the brand represented. And so, if you check back here, we'll send out a communication when those are ready. So with that, you'll also be able to access the partner portal from the screen, as well as we're going to be launching a kind of introduction deck that's going to outline this opportunity. So if you are, want the information kind of in a more kind of succinct or offline way, you'll be able to download that deck as soon as that's complete. So check back here. By the time you see this, some of these may be not coming soon, so you can ignore this. We'll try to update this video as that happens. But at this point, the thing to really cover is the payout process. So the way that works is that we will pay out commissions on the 15th of each month via PayPal using the email that you signed up for the program with. So this process will be looking back over the previous month from the 1st to the 30th. Any commissions that you earned during that time during the previous month will be paid out on the 15th of the subsequent month via PayPal. So there you have it. That's the Beehiiv Partner Program. kind of in 10 minutes. And like I said, we're constantly upgrading this and updating the different assets here. So, we'll be communicating those changes over time. Please let us know if you have any questions. You can send any questions you may have to partners@beehiiv.com. We're very responsive there. You can also email me directly at ej@beehiiv.com. And I will thank you so much for your time, and we look forward to seeing how you grow. Have a great day.